Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay. So apart from creating the fields from the user interface, we have another feature called Schema Builder.
Oh,
Okay. With this, we can build the object schema. Okay. Creating the objects, relating the objects to each other. That's called schema of the objects. Object
okay.
schema or data model. We can call that in two ways, data model or object schema, defining the fields for objects. Okay, that's called object schema. Okay, which we can do using the schema builder also. We have another feature called schema builder. From there also we can create the objects, fields and link the objects together. Okay, we'll see that schema builder. Just now you're in the setup itself.
Yeah.
Good, here, schema builder. Can you see this?
Yeah.
Just click schema builder.
So,
It's a simple way of creating the objects or fields. Okay. The difference between the normal objects creation and this one is there you have to go with the next, right? Here you don't need to do anything like that. You can just simply drag and drop and create instantly.
okay.
Okay. So here it shows the relationship between all the objects available. Just clear all. You can see um, the clean section here. Click elements, objects and elements. So now if you want to create any object, drag this object and drop here in the layout.
Okay.
See, now it's asking the name for create new object name. Similarly, data type, auto number or text, record name. This is the name of the record.
Okay.
Whatever we want to put, name or auto number, we can put the name and select the data type reports. So one of the disadvantages here, we cannot select the tab. There we get, right, we get the
Yeah.
option to select create a tab or not. Here we can't get
Yes.
this option. Whatever the object created from the schema builder, we have to go to the tab creation again.
Okay.
Okay. So here with this we can create a custom object, new custom object. And similarly, if you want to create any field, see here the fields also available. Okay, you can just drag and drop the field here, currency, date, anything. So we have to drop this on the object. Here there is no object. That's why it is not showing up anything. Wait, I'll get one object. Candidate. Can zoom out. Yeah, here you have the object. For the existing object, it will show the existing object and its fields and field types. Everything you can see here. Okay, this is the existing object, right?
Yes.
In your arc. So now I want to create a new field in this object, in the candidate object. Something like pick list. Yeah. See, now the field is created. prospect rating pick list on the candidate object. If you want to create this field through the normal UI, then you have to go with the next steps, right? Here you can create this instantly in the schema builder.
Okay.
Okay. For example, when I go to the candidate object, I can see this field. So these are the advantages of schema builder, and also there are some disadvantages, like you cannot create the tab as you get
Okay.
as you can create from the create section.
Yeah.
Okay, and for the fields we cannot set the field level security and all. We'll see the field level security in the later, but just keep in mind.
Okay.
So now if I go to candidate, you have your field, but it's not showing here because it's not on the layout. You can just click edit layout. We'll talk about these layouts in our coming sessions, but just keep in mind this layout. Just drag this from here and drop, save. Yeah. Now you can see your field. So this is what the disadvantage we have if we create from the schema builder. If we create from the normal create mode, it will show up here, right? Once we create, we can come and check here. But if we create from the schema builder, there is no security and all the settings are not applied. Security settings are not applied. We have to come again and do it manually, as I have done now. Okay. Any doubts, or is it confusing?
A bit confusing, but yeah, I got it.
See, if you create any fields from here, from the
Yeah.
create section, you have to go with the next. Okay, the
Okay.
next, whichever what I have not said you, like what the next. Okay, that is nothing
Okay.
but where you control the security of this field, the visibility and security. Okay,
Okay.
we just checking everything and clicking save. That's why whenever we come here to the object, we can see these fields, right?
Yes.
But for the schema builder, we are not checking any security settings, any security and visibility settings. That's why when we
Yeah.
come to the object, it's not visible. We have to make the security setting manually again.
Okay. Yeah. I got it.
Any doubts, Pranita?
Oh,
I'm just creating a test field just to show you. See, when we click next, yeah, visibility. Okay, when we are checking all these visibility settings. So that's why when we create that field, it is automatically visible here. Again, we no need to make any setting
yeah.
as we have done for the prospect rating. We no need to do for the test field. It will be visible automatically.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so because the prospect rating is created from the schema builder, we don't have option to put the visibility settings. Okay,
Okay.
that's a disadvantage of schema builder. Again, we have to come back and do the security settings for that field.
Okay.
Okay, is this clear or any confusion?
Yes. No, it's clear.
Okay, yeah, schema builder. Yeah, this is the main advantage. This eliminates the need to click from page to page, find the details of relationship, and add new custom field to object in your schema. Okay, we can click instantly by dragging and dropping. Okay, but I suggest you go with the normal one only, because here you get everything, security settings and all. If you go with the schema builder, you have to come back and do the security and visibility settings manually again.
Yeah.
Okay, just keep in mind there is a schema builder in Salesforce. Okay, and the
Okay.
main advantages of schema builder is uh, just to view the relationship between all the objects. Okay, I'll show you two objects, account and contact. It will show the main advantage is it will show the relationship between how the objects are linked to each other.
Okay.
Okay, now you can see here in the legend, the blue line represents lookup relationship. Okay, the red line relationship
Okay.
represents master detail relationship. Okay, here account and contact are linked to each other. See here from this line, blue line. Can you see this one with my
Yeah.
mouse moving? Yeah, this is what represents account related to contact, and you can see here these three, like a circle and three different lines. Three lines here.
Lines.
Yeah, circle and three lines pointing to contact. Can you see this?
Yes.
This is represents a account can have many contacts.
Okay.
Okay, one to many relationship.
Okay.
A account can have many contacts. This means. Okay, is this clear or confusing?
It's clear.
I'll show in the paint. This one. Okay, whenever you see this kind of symbol, that means one account. The circle represents account one, and the three different lines represent the contacts. Okay, one account can have multiple contacts. One-to-many relationship is there between the account and contact.
Okay.
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 So the main advantage, why we use Schema Builder is to find out the relationship between, to build the object schema, to find out the relationship between the objects in Salesforce. Okay. So what are the relationships? Now that's our next topic. How do we relate one object to another object?
Okay.
Okay.